Want to know how to update your MoonPay application? So if your MoonPay crypto application is outdated, this is how you can update it. So it's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now this is relevant for both devices, iPhone and Android, so the process is the same. First off, is simply open up your MoonPay application, and once you've done that, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon right here. So you can just simply select it first up and a new window should pop up regarding your settings. Now, once you're under the settings tab, right below logout, you should be seeing your current version. And right below that, if there are any updates available, it should be showing your current version, which is outdated, and an update button. So you can just simply select this update button right here. And now it should direct you to a new update where your MoonPay should be starting to update. So, what if the update button does not show up? There is another way as well. So you can just simply open up your Play Store or App Store, and right here instead of open you should be seeing update, and you can just simply update it. So if none of them show, your version is probably all fine. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.